Hi everyone, this is me Kate and I welcome you to our YouTube channel, and in today's video I'm gonna help you with a problem that says Snapchat support code SS07. So if you're having trouble with that issue, you are at the right place, so make sure to watch the video till the end and follow each procedure. So without further ado, let's get into the video. If you face a problem on Snapchat that says support code SS07, that is due to when you try to log into your Snapchat account too many times, or you have performed any suspicious activities, you might get banned. So we will be discussing on few solutions for that. First of all, make sure that you have a proper internet connection to your device. After that, go to Play Store, then search for Snapchat. Here, make sure that your Snapchat is updated to its latest version. Sometimes you might get that problem when you haven't updated Snapchat for a while. Once you are done updating your Snapchat, now make sure that if you have solved your problem. If not, again go to your settings on your device. Now look for option that says apps, then go to apps. Now again look for Snapchat and simply tap on Snapchat. Again you would see storage and cache option, so simply again tap on cache option. Now here you will see an option that says clear cache, so just tap on clear cache option. This will remove all the temporary files linked to your Snapchat account. After you're done with that, again go back to Snapchat app on your device and check if the problem has been solved or not. If not, again you can simply uninstall your Snapchat account from your device and try reinstalling it again. Try to log into your account again and you might be able to log into your Snapchat account. I hope this video helped you, and if you are new to our channel, please do subscribe our channel, hit the notification bell icon, and you will be updated with more upcoming tutorial videos. And thank you for watching till the end. I will see you in next tutorial video.